Imagine driving a car that just won't quit. 250,000 miles, 500,000, or even a jaw-dropping million miles without breaking a sweat. Sounds like a dream, right? But for these legendary vehicles, it's reality. In this video, we're counting down the 12 cars that are practically indestructible. These aren't just well-built machines. They've been proven by real-world drivers, trusted by mechanics, and tested over decades of tough, everyday use. From reliable family sedans to rugged, go-anywhere SUVs, these cars have earned their reputation for going the distance, and then some. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a daily commuter, or someone who just wants a ride that won't let you down, these automotive icons are here to prove that some cars are truly built to last. Stick around, because these unstoppable machines might just inspire your next ride, or make you rethink what's possible on four wheels. Starting off our list is a true family champion, the Chevrolet Suburban. If you're in the market for a large, dependable SUV that can handle both family life and adventure, the Chevrolet Suburban is a top contender. With its spacious interior and robust performance, this SUV has been a favorite for decades, offering plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike. The Suburban comes with three engine options: a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8. The turbo diesel is the most fuel efficient, delivering up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, while the 6.2-liter V8 provides the kind of power that makes towing and hauling a breeze. When it comes to storage, the Suburban truly shines. With the seats folded down, you'll have a massive 1.447 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for road trips, moving gear, or just everyday errands. For the most reliable Suburban, experts recommend choosing the last model year in a generation. The 2021 through 2024 models are particularly well regarded for their performance. They have a predicted reliability score of 88 out of 100 from J.D. Power, making it a combination of space, power, and durability. Next up, at number 11, we have another family favorite, the Honda Odyssey. Since it first hit the roads in 1994, this minivan has been a trusted companion for families everywhere, and for good reason. Take the 2022 model, for example. It earned an impressive 81 out of 100 reliability score from J.D. Power, proving it's built to handle the long haul. In fact, many Odyssey owners have driven theirs well past 300,000 miles, a testament to its incredible durability. But the Odyssey isn't just about longevity. It's packed with features that make life easier for busy families. With low maintenance cost, excellent resale value, and a smooth, spacious ride, it's as practical as it is reliable. Safety is another standout feature, with the Odyssey earning the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick Award. If you're shopping for a used model, the 2017 to 2021 versions are your best bet, known for their rock-solid reliability. Whether you're shuttling kids to soccer practice or heading out on a cross-country adventure, the Honda Odyssey is a proven winner for families who need a vehicle that won't let them down. Next up at number 10, we have the Mazda Miata. If you're dreaming of a sports car that combines thrilling performance with rock-solid reliability, look no further than the Mazda Miata. Since its launch in 1989, this iconic roadster has carved out a reputation for being both fun to drive and incredibly dependable. Its simple yet effective design, low maintenance requirements, and impressive longevity make it a favorite among car enthusiasts. The NC generation, 2005 through 2015, is particularly noteworthy for its durable build quality and reliability. While it might need the occasional repair, such as a radiator or exhaust system fix, it's still one of the most trustworthy sports cars you can buy. According to RepairPal, the Miata boasts an excellent 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating, with average annual repair cost of just $429, making it an affordable option for sports car lovers. Many Miata owners have driven their cars well beyond 200,000 miles, thanks to its easy-to-source parts and straightforward maintenance. Whether you're hitting twisty back roads or enjoying a sunny weekend drive, the Mazda Miata delivers a perfect blend of excitement and reliability that's hard to beat. Next at number 9, the Subaru Legacy. If you're looking for a reliable, underrated sedan that can handle any weather, the Subaru Legacy deserves your attention. Famous for its all-wheel drive system, this car is not just dependable, it's also fun to drive and built to tackle everything from rain to snow with ease. One of the standout generations is the 4th Gen Legacy, especially the 2004 model, which is celebrated for its sharp handling and great fuel efficiency. It also packs a punch with its 3.0-liter flat-six engine, producing 245 horsepower and 215 pounds of torque, making it a surprisingly exciting ride. The Legacy's sturdy chassis and engaging driving experience have made it a favorite among drivers who value both performance and practicality. That said, later models with CVT transmissions didn't quite hit the same mark. The 2005 to 2009 models are particularly noteworthy for their solid handling, with the 2006 and 2007 versions standing out as especially reliable. While the 2009 model had some engine-related hiccups, Subaru bounced back with significant improvements in the 2010 to 2014 generation. The 2016 and 2017 models are also highly rated for their reliability and customer satisfaction, making them great options for used car buyers. In short, the Subaru Legacy is a versatile, affordable choice with plenty of strong model years to choose from. Whether you're navigating icy roads or cruising on sunny days, the Legacy proves itself as a dependable and enjoyable ride. Next at number 8, the Ford F-150. No list of reliable vehicles would be complete without the legendary Ford F-150. This American icon is tough, versatile, and built to handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling rugged terrain, the F-150 has earned its reputation as a workhorse that lasts. The 2011 and 2012 models brought a game-changer to the table with the introduction of the EcoBoost V6 engine, offering a perfect blend of power and fuel efficiency. Fast forward to the 2018 and 2019 models, and you'll find aluminum body panels that not only reduce weight, but also help prevent rust, ensuring the truck stays in great shape for years. Under the hood, the F-150 packs some serious muscle, with engines like the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 leading the charge. Known for its durability and performance, this engine is a favorite among truck enthusiasts. It's no surprise that J.D. Power consistently ranks the F-150 highly for reliability and durability, making it a top choice for those who need a truck that can handle hard work day in and day out. If you're looking for a truck that's as dependable as it is powerful, the Ford F-150 is a proven winner that won't let you down. Number 7. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124, a legend of reliability. When it comes to durability, few cars can match the legendary Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Built between 1984 and 1995, this model was designed with longevity in mind. Mercedes didn't just build a car, they over-engineered it, creating one of the toughest vehicles of its time. Many W124s have surpassed 500,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. The diesel variants are especially known for their endurance, but every version of this car was made to withstand decades of driving. The W124's reputation for reliability is well earned. It hails from an era when Mercedes was focused on craftsmanship and quality, making it an affordable yet dependable way to own a luxury car. Even the high-performance 500e, developed in collaboration with Porsche, retained the same durable DNA. If you're looking for a classic Mercedes-Benz that won't break the bank and one that might just outlast newer models, the W124 is a smart choice. The Toyota Camry, the ultimate long hauler. If there's one car that defines reliability and longevity, it's the Toyota Camry. For decades, this sedan has been a top choice for drivers who want a vehicle that's easy to maintain, fuel efficient, and built to last. The Camry comes with two engine options, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 203 horsepower and a 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency or extra power, Both engines are known for their durability and smooth performance, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for effortless driving. Speaking of efficiency, the Camry delivers impressive fuel economy, with up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway and 28 miles per gallon in the city. Add in Toyota's Safety Sense system, featuring lane departure alerts and a pre-collision system, and you get a car that's not just reliable, but also designed with safety in mind. What really sets the Camry apart is its low maintenance cost and incredible lifespan. With the right care, this sedan can easily surpass 600,000 miles, making it an unbeatable choice for those who need a car that can handle years, if not decades, of daily driving. Number 5. The Honda Accord, built to last. The Honda Accord has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable sedans ever made. Known for its durability and strong performance, this car can easily rack up 300,000 miles or more with proper care, making it a favorite among long-term owners. Beyond its reliability, the Accord is designed for both comfort and practicality. It offers a spacious interior, providing plenty of room for passengers and cargo, while its sleek design and smooth ride make it a pleasure to drive. Efficiency is another key advantage. The Accord boasts great fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save on gas without compromising on performance. Under the hood, its well-built engine and high-quality components ensure minimal maintenance issues over the years. Whether you're commuting daily or taking long road trips, the Honda Accord is a smart investment, offering a perfect balance of longevity, comfort, and affordability. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner, the SUV that won't quit. If you need an SUV that can handle anything, the Toyota 4Runner is a top contender. Built to be tough and long-lasting, many owners have pushed their 4Runners past 300,000 miles with ease. Whether you're tackling off-road trails, bad weather, or daily commutes, this SUV is designed to go the distance. Its body-on-frame construction makes it incredibly durable, allowing it to take on rugged terrain without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, you'll find Toyota's legendary 22R-RE engine, one of the most dependable powertrains ever made. If reliability is what you're after, this engine delivers. Inside, the 4Runner offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for both adventure seekers and families. And with a strong V6 engine, it performs well on the road while still being capable off-road. Another major advantage? Resale value. The 4Runner holds its worth better than most SUVs, making it a smart investment. If you're looking for a tough, reliable, and adventure-ready vehicle, the Toyota 4Runner is hard to beat. Number 3. The Toyota Land Cruiser, built to conquer. If there's one SUV that defines durability and adventure, it's the Toyota Land Cruiser. Designed to tackle both rugged off-road trails and smooth highways, this vehicle is built to last. Some even surpass 1 million miles with proper care. With over 10 million units sold worldwide, the Land Cruiser isn't just popular, it's a legend. Known for its rock-solid reliability, it boasts a trustworthy 83 out of 100 reliability score. While it comes with a premium price tag, its $800 annual maintenance cost is still lower than other luxury SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade or Lexus LX. Beyond its durability, the Land Cruiser offers a smooth ride, modern luxury features, and an unmatched strength. Whether you're tackling the toughest terrains or enjoying a highway cruise, this SUV delivers power, comfort, and longevity like no other. Looking for a long-lasting, capable SUV? The Land Cruiser might just be your perfect ride. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia, the ultimate family SUV. If you're looking for a family SUV that stands the test of time, the Toyota Sequoia is a top contender. Introduced in 2000, it has built a reputation for reliability, especially in models from 2009 onward, which offer a smoother ride and fewer mechanical issues. Scoring an impressive 83.5 out of 100 in reliability, the Sequoia is one of Toyota's most dependable SUVs, right up there with the Yaris and Prius. It's also cost-effective to maintain, with annual upkeep averaging $642. Plus, serious repairs are rare, with only 15% of reported issues being major. Beyond reliability, the Sequoia is designed with families in mind, offering ample space, comfort, and long-term durability. Many owners drive these SUVs for hundreds of thousands of miles, proving that it's built to last. For those who need a rugged yet family-friendly SUV, the Toyota Sequoia delivers on all fronts. Number 1. Lexus LS 400, the million-mile luxury sedan. Taking the top spot is the legendary Lexus LS 400, a luxury sedan built to go the distance. Auto journalist Matt Farah even pushed his LS 400 past 1 million miles, proving just how durable this car truly is. First introduced in 1989, the LS 400 redefined luxury cars by combining high-end comfort with unmatched reliability, something rare in the luxury segment. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful V8 engine designed for longevity, allowing it to run smoothly for decades with proper care. Beyond performance, the LS 400 offers a quiet, smooth ride and a premium cabin, making every drive a first-class experience. Even with high mileage, owners report minimal issues, and maintenance costs are surprisingly low compared to other luxury sedans. For those who want a luxury car that delivers both elegance and endurance, the Lexus LS 400 is in a league of its own. And there you have it, the 12 cars that simply refuse to quit. From family-friendly minivans to rugged trucks and timeless sedans, these vehicles have proven with just the right engineering and care, hitting 250,000 miles, or even a million, isn't just possible, it's expected. Whether you're looking for your next ride or just love hearing about automotive legends, these cars are a testament to what happens when quality meets durability. So which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing car stories and countdowns. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to cars, some are just built to go the distance. Until next time, drive safe and keep chasing those milestones.